So are you guys looking for an application you can put on your lawn right now to help the overall quality of your lawn in springtime? Stay tuned, guys, because this one application from the N-Ext line is what we're going to be talking about today. So this application isn't necessarily going to make your lawn green if it's already gone into dormancy. The only thing that will do that is a winterizer fert, which should have been applied already. But if you haven't even gotten that down, maybe your lawn went into dormancy, don't worry. This will work for you no matter what your situation is, as long as the soil is not frozen. Check it out. This application is not mandatory by any means, right? Maybe you've been in the house for a little bit, the winter's been getting to you, you've been cooped up, you're having some mildly warm weather, which we've all been having lately, and you're just itching to get out and do something. This application is going to be for you. As long as you meet the criteria of the soil not being frozen, which would be when soil temperatures are 35 and above, or outside air temperatures, for instance, are 45 and above, then you should be fine to go ahead and do this application. Whether the lawn is dormant or not is not going to dictate whether or not you can do this application, as this one certain product that we're going to talk about today doesn't actually push any additional growth on the lawn, just more so gets it ready for spring. One product I'm going to have you guys grab is going to be the N-Ext Humic12 product. Here's why. Out of all the products in the N-Ext line, the one thing I love about the Humic12 product is it's the most versatile product. What it actually focuses on is improving the overall nutrient availability within your soil so that by the time the lawn wakes up in the springtime, it's going to be a lot better with a lot less inputs needed, and you're going to spray it out whatever means you want. I recommend a hose end sprayer. It's just going to have the dilution ratio that you're going to need to get it into the soil without needing to water it in afterwards. I wouldn't advise applying it if you have like a monsoon type rain, but if you do have a light rain in the forecast, a little drizzle if you will, that will be enough to water it into the lawn and help enhance overall nutrient availability. Application rate for this application is going to be anywhere from 6 to 9 ounces per thousand. Whatever you're feeling, however you're feeling, anywhere in that 6 to 9 ounce per thousand range will be all you need once a month in the winter season to help keep your soil healthy for the springtime. Let us know, guys, if you have any stories using the N-Ext products that have bettered the overall quality of your lawn and soil. Leave those down below. Would love to hear about it. My back lawn is actually living proof of nothing but a N-Ext product program. If you guys would like to hear more about that, comment down below, and maybe that's a video that we'll make in the future talking about all the applications we did back here with very low input that actually did indeed keep this lawn green and vigorous. So if you're interested in that, comment down below. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Later. That was the right camera, right? Nope. There it is.